Hi, my name's Zack Mclaughlin. I'm an Indytute partner and I make wire sculpture kits. So my favourite thing about making wire sculptures is just the endless possibilities the material allows you to play with. It is just drawing in 3D space, so you can turn the whole piece as you're working on it, which is really fascinating and it really challenges your brain. You don't need much for this craft, which is a lovely way of introducing you to form. You start with something very simple and small, a little coil of wire, you bend and play, and before you know it, you create this beautiful little sculpture you're super proud of. I find inspiration in the natural world. Just stopping for a moment and allowing things to occur around you. It's amazing what you witness and what you see, and it's amazing how that relates back to your work. Whether it's a material taken from nature, or it's the shape or the form or whatever it can be. Nature's just the greatest inspiration, I think. I love it. When people first start out, the mistakes they make really are self-doubt. But I think that's just human nature. And I think it is just letting go and allowing yourself to play and be more childlike with that material. And I think playing is so important for your creative brain. I'm a big kid, I love to play, so I think other people should too.